Hey, what's up everybody? Danny Lightning back again with another CSR2 video. Today we're going to go mow down in the Showdown. You're probably wondering, what's he talking about, mow down the Showdown? Well, I have no idea either, but that's what we're going to do. So I've picked my Copo Camaro because it's the fastest tier 5 car that I have. You know, this was the fast on the top 10 list not too long ago, but over the last 2 seasons or so they added a lot more cars which are faster than this Copo Camaro, and that's a bummer. But we'll see what happens here. How does this thing do in live racing? I think it's still in the top 12 or top 15 or something. I'd have to go look exactly where it is, but it's still a good contender. Alright, race number 1. This should be against the bot, so this should be a really easy win. Now I gotta wait for this guy to cross the finish line. I don't think the bot should be quite that slow. Oh my goodness, he's taking forever. Alright, let's see what we got on the first win. 63 respect points and 10,500 cash. Now, the more wins I get, the more respect points we're going to earn, too. And another 5,000 cash. Alright. I'm loaded. I feel rich. 15,000 cash. I'm rich. Sorta. Maybe not. See, I got to keep saying something to keep you guys entertained, so I'll just babble on about some worthless random nonsense and do a couple races here. We're mowing down the Showdown, I guess. Okay, this should be a bot as well. Second gear, third and nitrous. This car is so easy to drive. I just wish they wouldn't have added all those new cars that are faster than this. But that's only if people actually have them maxed out. This car still beats the majority of people in live racing. I would probably say 60 or 70% of the people I race I can still beat as of right now. Someday that might change. Alright, got a few more rewards, nothing too special yet. Let's go for race number 3, and this should be another bot. I'm pretty sure it's 5 races of bots and then you hit real people. I could be wrong. That's sort of what I remember though, is 5 races before you hit the real folks. Alright, Fullet. That's this guy's name. Sounds like mullet. And I left that dude in the dust. Bye bye, Mr. Bot. I will see you later. I guess he's a little faster than the first guy. Now, I did try the thing where you run slow on the first several runs and you're supposed to get put up in slower lobbies, but that didn't work. The only thing they look at is the trophies. You get matched up with people with similar amounts of trophies as you. How fast your car is really doesn't seem to have anything to do with the matchmaking on the Showdown events. Alright, check that out. I'm in 13,885th place. I am doing great. I bet you can't beat that. Maybe you can. That's really not a very good place to be in. Alright, we're going to go up against Nathan in his WRX. I would really like to have that WRX. That's a cool car. I don't know if it's fast or not, but I like it. For some reason, I'm a big fan of the WRX. Not necessarily the tier 1 or tier 2 one or whatever it is we have in this game. That car kind of sucks, but I guess this tier 5 one was pretty darn good. I know a couple people who have it and they love it. That was race number 4, so I think we're going to have one more race with a bot. Alright, I got a couple keys, some cash. it's totally worth racing these things just to get some prizes. Because there's a lot of races that you can get prizes whether you win or lose, which is pretty nice. Alright, so this should be the last bot, I think. I don't think I remembered to refill my gas tank. Alright, another easy win. See you later, buddy. I'm out of here. See ya, wouldn't want to be ya. Alright. 624 respect points for that one. And it should just keep getting better. Alright, some more prizes. More prizes. I got some keys. I like that. Silver keys. That's awesome. Hopefully we keep getting more of these. I didn't actually look to see what we're going to get here. I know it's supposed to be a lot of keys and a lot of game cash on this one. And that's great. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and fill up my gas tank a little bit. I'll spend 40 gold on some gas. Now I can play for a while. Alright. I'm pretty sure the screen recorder cuts off after 22 minutes or something. So I might have to splice these clips together if it does that. Which will be a pain, but I think I still have a video editing program on my phone. I'll have to figure out how to use it. It just leaves a big nasty watermark on the bottom that says like whatever the name of the program is. I don't like that. But if it splits my clips up, I guess I'll use it. I think the only way you can get rid of it is to buy a monthly subscription. Personally, I don't want monthly subscriptions. I wouldn't mind spending like 10 or 20 bucks to buy it. You know, if I had some money laying around, I wouldn't mind buying something outright, but I'm definitely not giving them 10 or 15 bucks a month. That's crazy. I think we got a problem here. One thing I hate now is pretty much everything's gone to monthly subscriptions. Hey, I finally found someone. I'm guessing this is a real human being here, not a bot. And unfortunately for him, he wasn't very fast. Let's see how many RP I got for that. 754, so it's definitely getting better. The cash amount is still exactly the same. Alright, race number 6 gave me an additional 7,500 game cash. And I'm now up to 363 trophies. Alright, next victim. Now that I say that like I'm going to win easy, I'm probably going to get stomped. Watch, it's going to put me up against the Tutara or whatever, and it's going to destroy me. That car is... I don't think that car can beat me. I might be wrong, but I don't think so. Alright. What gets me though is when I got that Harkness Sesto Elemento, the boss car. I think that was like the 5th fastest car in the game at the time. Now it's way down the list. Way down the list. I really wish they would stop adding all these new cars. They add too many. It makes it too hard to get stage 6 parts for cars that you already own. Maybe someday they'll make crates available for if you own a car there will be a crate for it. That's what they should do. More than likely, though, it would probably be with like real cash. You would have to buy it, is my guess. Maybe not. Alright, what's going on here? Oh, we got someone. And this car is definitely capable of destroying me. I think this is still the #1 fastest car in the game. Come on, little Copo Camaro. Got him. He must not have been maxed out. Alright. Easy win so far. I think the game just froze. Come on, please don't have frozen. Please don't have frozen. I don't think that came out quite right. Man, this stinks. I'm probably going to have to completely shut the game down now. It does this every once in a while, and every time it does it, I got to completely reboot the whole game. Hey, there it goes. Nice. Alright, let's find someone else. Yeah, I was just ready to hit the pause button on the recorder and shut this thing down, so I'm glad I didn't. I don't know why this video recorder cuts off after about 20 minutes or 22 minutes. At least that's what happened last time I made a really long video. I probably should have used my other screen recorder. It doesn't do that. Or maybe I can go into the settings and try and figure out how to fix that. I don't know. Maybe I'll get it worked out one of these days. That's the only thing I don't like about this screen recorder, is how it cut the clip in half after about 22 minutes. Besides that, this screen recorder is awesome. I got my new little watermark up there to cover up my player ID. That way I don't have to have the webcam that my hand covers up anyways. It's not like you can see me when I use the phone webcam because my hand covers it. I'm sure you guys have seen a couple of those videos. Alright, got it. So far this Copo Camaro is doing really good. Hopefully some of you guys have some really nice cars that are, you know, in the 7.2 or faster area. Because so far it's looking like they're doing really well. And I got over 1,000 Evo points. I got over 1,000 respect points for that win. So that's really nice. Alright, let's go to the next guy and try and take him out. Alright, easy wins, come on. Who am I up against next? Alright, come on, easy wins. I'll probably jinx myself by saying that. Is that tally? Oh, crap. I have a feeling I've just lost this race. Come on, Copo Camaro. You can... Ooh, did I win or lose? Race abandoned. Are you kidding me? You see that? I won. I won that race. Thanks for the connection issues, guys. That's lovely. At least I didn't lose any trophies. That's a bummer. That just ruined my day. Well, not really, but I don't like it. Alright, this is definitely capable of beating the pants off of me. I'd rather not lose my pants in public. But I think I just lost them. Oh, pants are gone. My pants! Give me my pants back. He definitely beat the pants off of me there. That's a really weird saying, isn't it? Or expression, I guess you would call it. I wonder who came up with that. Oh, someone beat the pants off of me. You know, that's really strange. I'm going to have to look that up and find out the meaning behind that, or the reason behind that. Maybe somebody got beat up in a fight and their pants fell off, and that's what they said. No, another Supra? Oh, come on. Well, I believe I won. Actually, I think he won. The only reason that gave me the win is because he disconnected, I guess. Well, I guess that makes up for the last one. Can't complain too much. Okay, we're on to the next victim. This should be an easy win. Got it. I actually got a little more cash. That was up to 11,000 cash. And some more silver keys. That's awesome. That is awesome. We all know how precious the silver keys are in this game. You need to get those Prestige Cup cards. You need those silver keys. So don't waste them. Don't waste a single silver key when you don't have to. And I think I got this one. Alright. So far I'm doing really well. I'm really glad I saved all my bronze keys until this car came out. I almost did not spend my bronze keys on this. I'm glad I did because this has been a really good car to have. Eventually it's probably not going to do so well, but as of right now it still does really, really good. I still like it a lot. This is pretty much the car I drive all the time anymore. It doesn't really beat Dyno by much, so it's not a great live racing car, but mine does really good just because most people aren't fast enough to beat me. Just because it's a really fast car. Not everybody has their cars completely maxed out. So even a lot of the fastest cars in the game can't beat me because they're not maxed out and they're slower. So that's the only reason this car is so good. It's because it's quicker than most people. But it can't win. It can't really beat Dyno. I think it does by a little bit. I can't really remember. But before I had it maxed out, it really didn't do that good. See, that was good there because that car is capable of beating me, but his must not have been maxed. I didn't win by much though. Not by much at all. Alright, I'm up to 755 trophies. Hopefully I can at least hit 1,000. Now I did change one setting on this screen recorder the other day. That makes me wonder if it's still going to split the clip or if it's going to record one full clip. I think I made the file size a little smaller for recording, which could possibly cause it to record for a longer time. Alright, are we going to find someone? There we go. Genie! Uh-oh. It's another car that can possibly beat me. Ooh, that's... Who won that one? Oh, crap. Look at that. Now that was a good race. That was a good race. I wish every race could be like that. My trophies. Well, maybe I'll beat the next person. I hope. And I think I'll get this one. Got him. I think that car is capable of beating me, but they usually don't. Heck, I still got a lot of gas left. This seems to be going slower than normal. Oh man, this guy's gonna kill me. I'm losing this one. I can almost guarantee it. Ooh, I got it. Almost every time I race one of those, I lose. So, that guy didn't have his maxed out. $100,000 cash. Can't complain too much. So that's race number 20. The Copo is actually doing really well. How many have I lost now? 2 or 3 out of 20? Man, I bet I'm going to get a lot of respect points this season from this. Hopefully I can keep these wins up. I didn't look to see how long this event was going to last. Hopefully this one's going to last a few days. And I'm going to lose. He got me. He got me. It would be really cool to have that Supra. My keys is gone. I lost my keys. Alright, let's go race the next guy, and hopefully it's going to be a little bit better. I got 799 trophies. I guess I should say my trophies are gone, not my keys. Alright, come on, find someone. There we go. Jeff 929. I hope I beat you. Ooh, I think I got him. Yep, I got him, I think. Pretty sure. Those close races are fun. Alright, 1,100 respect points for that. 10,500 cash. I wonder why that one time I got 11,000 some cash instead of 10,000. Unless I read that wrong. I am dyslexic, so I read things kind of weird sometimes. Some of the stuff I read, it's crazy. There'll be a sign that says, like, Joe's Backyard Barbecue, and I'll think it says, like, something completely different. It's kind of amazing how messed up I can read stuff every once in a while. Dyslexia is weird. Oh man, this is a car that can destroy me as well. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, come on, come on. Nope. It killed me. Now I'm sad. Alright, hopefully the next one's a little better. Who's next? That's a weird looking windsock back there. That doesn't really look like the way windsocks normally move. And this is a car that can destroy me. So hopefully he's not maxed out. And he got me. Bummer. So I got next to nothing for the loss. 218 respect points and 63 cash. Better than nothing, I guess. So now this should be race number 25. I still think I'm doing pretty good though. I don't know if this car can beat me or not, but I'm thinking no. Ooh. I won, alright. I wasn't sure who got that. I'll have to try and remember that that car is a fast one. Alright, some more tokens. 15 silver keys. I want to hit those. I definitely want those. So I hope I can win a couple more. Hope I can at least get to that point. I want those keys. And the search is on. Princess Lisa. I remember that name from somewhere. I know I've ran into Princess Lisa before. And I don't know who won. Oh man, she got me. Bummer. Now I'm just a little further away from getting those 15 keys. No, I'm not gonna watch those ads. Not right now, at least. Alright, come on, easy wins. I want those 15 keys, guys. Let me win. Let me win. Give me them keys. Give me them keys. Hopefully my babbling is keeping you guys entertained, because gotta say something. Ooh, yeah, I got it. Come on. Hopefully that was enough to get me them keys. It does seem like you win more trophies than you lose. I could be wrong about that, but that's what I remember. 1,103 respect points. I'll take it. Alright, was that enough? Oh, I think I need one more win. Alright, one more win. Come on. Let's get it. No. I'm gonna lose. Yep, I lost. So the Copo Camaro was actually doing pretty well, but as you can see, it's not perfect. You need some sort of ridiculously fast car to do really good on this game. Okay, I'm at 839 keys. This guy's got 829, and it's another car that can destroy me. This is another car that beats me almost every single time I race it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nope. Alright, so now I'm even further away from my keys. And it looks like I got 2 more things of gas left, and then I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I might try this again later, especially if this is an event that lasts several days. I'll probably go back on the last day, where the fastest cars are already at the very top. Before I end the video, I'll go look at how long this actually lasts. Alright, come on, find somebody. Find someone. Today's matchmaking is a little bit slow. It usually finds someone a lot faster than this. But you win some, you lose some. And it's still searching. Alright, I'm just going to go hit the back button. Try again, I guess. Two days and 22 hours. Nice. Nice. So that means you guys can let the fast cars climb to the top and go in in a few days and do a lot better if you don't have one of the faster cars. That's really good. That's really good for everybody when they have these, have it last for several days. Unless you only have a slow tier 5 car, like a really slow one. Unfortunately, it's probably not going to help you out at that point, but for anybody who has a medium to fast, but not like crazy fast car, go in on the last day and you'll probably do a lot better. Alright, I'm about to lose this one too. I can feel it. Alright, I think I got one more thing of gas, and then I'm going to go ahead and end this. That was a nice chunk of change right there, though. Ah, 786. Now I'm real far away from getting those keys. But, on the last day, I'll get them, for sure. Come on, find me a winner. Actually, find me a loser, because I want to be the winner. I think everybody wants to be the winner in this case. Alright, that guy can beat me pretty easily. So let's hope his car... Oh, I just... Nope. Wow, I screwed up my start and I still won. I'm lucky. That was really lucky. That might have been my last thing of gas. Let's find out. Nope, got one more. One more race. One more race, and then this video is over. Alright, come on, find someone. You're taking too long. There we go. Bobby Lee.